Hi guys, I just got off work. My spine hurts. I just changed my clothes and I smell like Mickey D's. But I'm gonna tell you guys something. I got a package plus this, which is some weird lipstick color. It's by Miss Young on Aliexpress. So I guess we're gonna open that up and see. It's number 18. I guess it's a lip gloss or something. I got that in the mail. Ooh. Sorry, I stink like fries. I've been on fries all day at fucking McDonald's. But, I guess that's huge, actually. That's really huge, considering that most of the ones I get aren't that big. But, yeah. So this was like, I think it was like $1.50 or something. But, like, this lipstick I have on was like $1.50 too. I just don't know the name. So, we're gonna open this package. My gothic shirt opening, the 2-minute one, got a lot of views for no reason, and I don't know why, because it didn't even have a good thumbnail. It got more views than my other videos, so I might as well just stop editing. So, this is the package. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay, so apparently it's a shirt. So, this shirt is one I've been waiting for. It's size large. It's this weird gothic shirt. It was like 40 bucks. So it has like a little heart thing where you can like clasp it and it looks like a heart. I just don't know how to do it. Hold on. Let's try and figure it out. I don't even know how the fuck that's supposed to work. So there's that. But as you can see, it says size large, and that's what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have the stuff hanging, but yeah, it looks like it'll fit, and it's got like these little sparkles on it, and it's just really cute. I don't know how to clasp it. I'm just so confused, because it doesn't have any holes inside of the thing. So I don't know, either that or I'm just mentally retarded. But that could be it, actually. So, oh no, I thought I was getting close, but I wasn't. Maybe it just hangs. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So that's the shirt. I guess I'll try it on real fast. Okay, so it stretches apparently. And yes, it does fit. It is a little bit like of a snug fit, but it's from China, so that's why. But sorry, I'm just trying to figure this out. Like what? How the fuck do you get this on there? I don't understand. Huh? How it's supposed to be like a little heart. I don't know. I'm really bad at this. I'm not a mechanic. Is it supposed to be what? Because it's supposed to be like that with the heart. A heart shape. But I don't know how that's supposed to work. But yeah, that's the shirt. The only part I'm disappointed about is this. But yeah. Other than that, it's a good shirt. I mean, I don't think it was really worth $40, but it's cute. I mean, the design was worth $40, but this clasp doesn't really do anything, unless I'm just retarded and I don't know how it works. If you can figure it out, just tell me. Like, if you made this shirt. But yeah, that's the video. So, yeah. It's from the Netherlands. And it just has this cute packaging that has this demon girl on it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.